If you've ever felt like you were doing everything right, eating clean, counting carbs, staying active, but still struggling to stay consistent, this might be the missing piece. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and overlooked tools for long-term keto success: the people you surround yourself with. Let's talk about the power of positive influences and how they can completely transform your journey. Point number 1, energy is contagious. Be around the right kind. The people around you matter more than you think. If you're constantly hearing things like one bite won't hurt or just live a little, it chips away at your momentum. Negative influences can sabotage your progress without you even realizing it. But when you're surrounded by people who lift you up, share your values, and cheer on your wins, suddenly keto feels easier and way more fun. Here's our quick tip. Audit your environment. Who's in your corner? Are they helping or hindering your goals? Point number 2, find your keto tribe, online or offline. If you don't have support in your day-to-day life, seek it elsewhere. There are incredible online keto groups like the one I run on Facebook, YouTube channels, forums, and even in-person meetups. You'll be amazed how energizing it is to talk to someone who's facing the same cravings, sharing their go-to recipes, or celebrating non-scale victories with you. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Finding your tribe can be the key to lasting success. Point number 3, be the influence you need. Sometimes you have to be the positive influence for yourself and others. When you show up consistently, share your journey, and speak kindly to yourself, you attract people who resonate with your energy. Affirm others. Share your story. Be the light. Not only will you help others, but you'll strengthen your own resolve in the process. So if you're serious about making keto a long-term lifestyle, take a good look around. Surround yourself with those who support your goals and walk alongside your values. And if you don't have that support yet, create it, because the people in your life can either fuel your fire or drain it. If this resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more keto motivation, and drop a comment below. Who's one person who lifts you up on your keto journey? Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and stay keto. See you in the next video.